This is a 36-inch Lasko 3600 plastic Wal-Mart ceiling fan. I picked this up from John Reed back in 2012 in the summer when I met him up at Habitat for Humanity. Technically the color is like an ivory. Obviously there's some parts of the fan that are yellowed. I actually believe that this was once white, although I could be wrong. I mean, John, you feel free to correct me on that one because you know more about it than I do. It's a pretty cool little fan. It's got a single globe light kit on it that is not hooked up right now for testing purposes. I just wanted to hook the fan up and hang it and test it and all that stuff to demonstrate it for you guys. So it's a 3-speed forward reverse. And the thing that I like about this fan is just the overall design of it. The fact that it's completely plastic. The only real metal parts of the fan is the mounting bracket and the screws and the blade brackets, which are really made out of pot metal, but that's okay. This is one of those fans that's actually pretty durable. So I will go ahead and turn it on for you. This is low speed. And this is the first time I've actually fired this fan up since I've gotten it. So this is new for me as well. It's the first time I've actually ever gotten around to testing it. Seems to work pretty good. Doesn't wobble on low at all. Blades are a little bit out of whack just because it's a plastic fan. They're pretty easy to bend, so but it does move a little bit of a breeze on low. I can feel it. Just a little bit. We'll go ahead and crank it up to medium. And I'm doing this on the bottom level of my house on the walkout porch, by the way, because this is really the only place I can test my fans. And I didn't have time to put the canopy up either to cover the mounting bracket. I'm just hanging it for 5 minutes just to test it, and since I don't have anywhere in my house to hang it. Fan does not wobble one bit, and it does put out a pretty good breeze on medium. Doesn't make any noise either. And now high speed. And you know what? For a plastic fan, for a cheap plastic Walmart fan, this thing moves a lot of air. You know? I mean, this is a really cool designed fan. I mean, it's a top mount spinner technically, because that whole top mount part of the motor spins, for those of you that didn't know. It does wobble a little bit on high speed, but that's okay because it's really not that much. You really don't notice it. And you can hear a little bit of humming. But I don't know if you can hear the humming or not, but it's moving a pretty good amount of air for a 36-inch fan. I think this one's a keeper. So I'll go ahead and shut it off now. So anyways, that's my 36-inch Lasko 3600 plastic ceiling fan from Walmart that I got from John Reed on the DT Vintage Fan Forums. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. There's way more to come.